So we've got Briony into the veil now. So we've lost the robe, we've put the veil on, and obviously it'd be beneficial if it was the bride's own veil. But if they haven't got the veil yet, at least we've got stock veils in studio. We're also using a small little tiara, but that's one of the main things that the bride will have herself, is her own headdress at that point if she's going to wear one. You don't have to wear a tiara. Remember, what we're trying to make sure with the accessories is that we don't kill the sale because of the accessories that we're using. The veil is really being used to just bring all the kind of the bridal element together, as well as obviously kind of help us to disguise body shape for the fuller woman. Okay, so we're going to go back into the same pose. If you stay there for a minute, darling, just put the hands out towards the side and just touch the bed with both fingers. That's lovely. Keep it. So we're back into the silhouette, 100 ISO, just to give us that silhouette. Twist the head towards the left for me, please, darling. Look into the left, more. Okay, let's go up onto the knees again. That's lovely. And just bring in the hands together with the veil and bring it towards the tummy a little bit. That's beautiful. Looking left more. Keep it, and again. Okay, let go of the veil and just push out with the fingers behind the veil for me and just pushing it at the lower part. So around about the waist level, cover the hands and the arms fully and just push, that's lovely. Bring them together just a little bit, that's gorgeous there, keep it. Looking down lower to your left-hand side, it's lovely, and again. Bring the knees together just a touch. That's lovely. Looking down again towards the left more, look down towards the left hand. Turn the left hand, rotate it around to me. That's lovely, it's there, let's do it. Okay, bring both hands around towards the tummy with some veil. That's lovely, still looking, that's gorgeous. Can you turn around to the profile position for me as well now? So, anti-clockwise, brilliant. I'll spread the veil out for you. Turn to face the cupboard again, if you could, please. Give me the net a minute. So just to kind of develop on, grab the veil again and bring it around towards the tummy and sitting back down for me again. That's gorgeous. And keep there. Looking down again towards the hands. It's lovely, once more. Can I see your face more? So actually push the veil back as much as you can behind the shoulders. Push that hair away by the eye as well for me. Push it behind this front shoulder more. It's got a mind of its own. Just the hands just onto the knees. Looking down lower for me. It's gorgeous there. I've lost the veil again. It's just come back around to the front, so push it back again. There you go. Looking down again for me. That's lovely. Keep it. Just hands up towards as if you're adjusting the engagement ring. That's lovely. It's there. Keep it. Let me just move position. So because I'm going to get more flesh than the silhouette now, I just up my ISO again, 200 ISO, and I've got my shots coming in. Anytime I change the shot and I change something technical on camera, I just want to look at the back of the camera to check that we've got the right image, which it's brilliant. Okay, and again for me, looking down a little bit more towards the hands, bring them down towards the lap more. Twisting me just a touch with the knees as well. There you go, same thing. Who booked that veil? That's lovely. Just bring a little bit of the veil together in both fingers. Just bring it towards the middle. That's gorgeous. Keep it. Oh. Use that hair as well. It's just actually coming in front of this eye. No, you've got a big strand coming down there. There you go. Okay, that's lovely. Keep low. Oh, veil again. That's lovely. Let's do it. Keep it. Keep it again. Looking towards the right for me. That's lovely, it's there, let's do it. Just use your right hand, as if you're going to push away the veil on the left hand side more. So just around by the boob level height, push away, so the other side of the veil. That's it, looking towards the left as you're doing it. I told a lie, towards the right. That's lovely, there you go, let's do it. And again, lower the hand down more, it's lovely. Just adjusting the engagement ring again, just fiddling with it. Keep it, little expression. Can you push the hair on the right-hand side of your face away more? There you go, done it. Keep it, happier, a little bit more. Stay there for me. Excellent, do it again. bring the fingers back towards the bow in the bra again. Keep it. Just take a bit of veil in each hand as you do it. So just put it between your pinky and your other finger. That's it. Just in it. Keep it. Relax. Can you just kneel up now, fully? That's lovely. Same pose, looking down towards the hands again. Twist the body to me a little bit more, please, Briony. Just looking off towards the side. That's lovely. And again, keep it. Hands out with all the veil towards the side. That's lovely. Let's pop the hands onto the hips. Both of them. That's lovely. It's there. Twist the body to me a touch more. Looking down towards the bed. Towards me a little bit more with the head for me. Looking down more, more, more. Okay, so let me just put my lens hood back on again. So once we've got the basics of that one shot, let's start to actually move around the body, move towards the light source. Remember, we're working exactly the same ISO, aperture, 125th, f4, 100 ISO. All the exposure is going to be the same, okay? So you can see here, there's detail there because of any ambient light that is spilling around the place. This reflector panel is hardly doing anything at all. It's all about the ambient light in the sea, and we know we've blown the detail and the drapes in the background. That's okay. So let's walk through the whole kind of rotation for a minute and just see the simple variety that we could add in. Even though very, very similar shots, the position of the camera will dramatically change the image. Okay, let's bring the hands to the belly button with some netting. Twist the body to me first, please, Briony. Looking towards there again, looking off towards the side. Can you look towards more. There you go. Okay, so our first shot, looking down for me, towards the hands. It's lovely, keep it. Moving in just a little bit closer. Now I'm just gonna start to move around the body, watching for my background. I've got some background supports. Look up high and look over towards the side. That's lovely. Happier, and again. So just to avoid the background supports, I've got to come pretty much actually in a 90-degree position. Turn the head and the body to me just a touch. That's gorgeous there. Lower the chin more for me, eyes at me. Let's bring the hands down to the side again. Just push out towards here, looking again out towards there. So we're getting a little bit more of a body shot now because obviously we pushed away the veil from the side. And again, keep it. Bring this hand around and just bring it up towards the bra strap as if it's dropped, just so if you can adjust it back. Bring this hand straight across the belly with some veil. Lower down veil. Excellent. Again, twisting around again. Straight at me with the eyes. Happier. That's gorgeous. Bring the veil in the left hand around towards the belly button again. That's gorgeous there. Looking down again. Lower the chin more. Excellent. Keep it. Relax. Okay. Can you just kneel up now, fully? That's lovely. Same pose, looking down towards the hands again. Twist the body to me a little bit more, please, Briony. This left knee to me more. There you go, darling. Looking towards your right now, fully. Just look. There you go. It's lovely. Just bring the hands down and just bring the veil out towards the side. Just push. You don't need to actually even hold it. Just put it in behind the veil. There you go, just push out, looking again out toward the side. It's gorgeous. Bring your right hand with some veil to the top of the knicker line on your right hip. There you go. Turn the head away from me again. Keep it. Twist the body to me a touch now. Move that knee a little bit. And again, looking off towards the side. Turn the head more, as if you're looking out the window fully. Twist the body back to me. More. There you go, turn the head again. 1 sec. It's lovely. Let's do it. Pull the left knee forward towards me more and put the weight on there. Can you bring the knees together more? Lovely. It's there. Don't fall over. Keep it. Both hands towards the belly button with the veil. Excellent. Looking down again. Keep it. Towards the hands. It's gorgeous. Twist the body around towards Steve more. Excellent, keep it. Body's perfect, turn the head to the window. Happier, faking it, keep it. It's lovely, and again, eyes to me now. Happier, relax.